Today I got a nice experiment for you. I have 4 printed parts here. This the gray one, the silver one, are PLA. 2mm walls, 2mm top and bottom layers. Same settings for this one. This is TPU. Again, 2mm walls, 2mm top and bottom layers. I have 2 shapes, so we see which one performs the best. This is basically a ball with a plate, so it will not move. And this is like a pyramid. So we're gonna see if we can run them with a car and what will happen and which one will last more. Will the TPU last? Will the PLA last? Will the walls make any difference? Or not? Because you ain't gonna make your parts stronger by using infill, but you have to use thicker walls. Ela. Ela. So we got the results. The TPU was perfect. Nothing except a little bit dirty, but nothing happened to it. Of course, it's a flexible filament, so underneath the wheel of the car it will just compress. Same with this pyramid. Nothing. Maybe a little bit of maybe a little bit of this formation here on the tip, but nothing except being dirty. The PLA though, the pyramid exploded. The pyramid exploded, so I throw it immediately. This one, the ball did not crack, but the base was destroyed. As you can see, the base was destroyed. The ball is still fine, and I believe the ball will withstand a car on it, but the base, nope. Maybe just because there was not enough material to support it. So the final results are, yes, you can run your car over a TPU printed parts, but not PLA. Only if you're gonna make them 100% solid PLA, then maybe, but otherwise no. Still, it was a nice experiment. Tell me, what should I do next? This ball is printed in PLA. and this is 2mm walls, 2mm top and bottom layers, and this is very strong. And let's say that you want to make your part stronger with infill. You ain't gonna make your part stronger with infill, just because infill is like putting rice inside a basketball. You ain't gonna make it strong, you're just gonna make it more dense. But if you put a basketball inside another basketball and do it 10 times, of course the basketball will become more stronger. So it's the same thing here. More layers or more walls equal more powerful part, more stronger. As you can see, not even a dent, nothing. This is 2mm walls. I believe this is one of the strongest settings that you can put when 3D printing parts, and doesn't waste so much material. Tomorrow we're gonna run this one with a car and see how strong will this become. And this is, the design is pretty strong, so I don't believe anything will happen. Sometimes when I have a project that I need a screen, a cover, I like to use this CD cases, which they are very cheap, and you can get a clear plastic, and they're thin enough, and it's easy to cut and shape in any form that you need. So this is a really nice tip that I learned a long time ago. So here I got a table, and this leg was broken, and I don't have wood dowels right now, but I wanted to put something to have a better support, because this only had one wood dowel, and that wood dowel broke. So I went to Fusion and I designed my own. And yes, I know what you're gonna say, that you can find them in very cheaply, like in cents, but I don't have, and I don't want to wait to order it. And I believe this will do the same job as this. This is a 6mm wood. It is a dowel. It's not a wooden dowel, it's a dowel. I just make a hole inside the first part, hole in the other one, put a lot of wood glue, put my dowels in, line it up, put it in, and I think we have a success. This isn't dry yet, but I think this will last another 10 years. So they will be available for free for whoever wants it. Check out my thanks page. Here is where you can find all my 3D models, and they are all free. You can see a lot of them. They are all free. Let's see which one has the most downloads. And if you want me to design something, just leave a comment. I may do it, why not? If it's interesting enough, I will. I don't know why it's not popping up. I have 930 followers, 33,000 model views, almost 7,000 downloads. This is my most downloaded models, the JDM wheels, then the desktop vibes, the I love 3D printing, and the one with the most likes is, wait a minute, let it load, 3,400 likes. Not bad. Of course, this one. I love 3D printing, so go and check out my page on thanks.com.